Steal a car equipped with an ordinary car alarm in 60 seconds? Easy. You'll have to travel on foot, buy a new laptop, and wait for the disbursement from the insurance agency. Digital Anti-Theft System IGLA is a universal solution for reliable protection from all known ways of theft. The main thing that distinguishes IGLA from other security devices is the innovative digital blocking. It means that IGLA speaks the same digital language as your car and can stop and start the engine. IGLA has a tiny size, hidden installation anywhere in the car, quick and simple installation with no extra wires. It's safe. There is no interruption into the standard car wiring. IGLA is simple to use. PIN code entering using standard buttons. PIN to drive. Security system can be deactivated automatically with a key fob, Author ID app on your smartphone. If authorization is not made, IGLA will block the engine at the attempt of driving or after moving off. IGLA also knows how to deal with comfort functions. After moving off, IGLA will shut the central lock. After security activation, it will lift up the windows, close the sunroof, and fold the side mirrors. In case of hijacking, IGLA activates anti-hijack function. You are forced to leave the car during a stop on the crossroad. The car will drive away, but after 300 meters, the system will ask for a PIN code. After that, the engine will be blocked on a safe for the driver and the surrounding people's speed. The thief will run away, and the car will be returned to its owner. IGLA, next generation anti-theft digital system. Designed and patented by Author Limited. IGLA keeps your car safe.